This is how he feels about a vlog day.
Hello.
I got cold. What are we doing today?
I don't know, remind me.
Oh, do you not know? Why are you avoiding all contact with the camera?
First thing in the morning. Well.
Yeah, and look at me. I look gross. So today, we are going to go and train in the gym. You've written us a little session, haven't you?
Part of it, yeah.
Interesting. Then tonight, we are going out. We have...
You don't have coffee in that.
I put 2 scoops. That was 2 scoops.
Was it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then tonight, I'm going to an event. It's like a dinner and an overnight stay. And he's gate crashing.
I'm not coming, am I?
Yeah, you are. You're coming to the hotel, just you can't come to the dinner.
Yeah, fine.
Cute, cute, cute. Hey, hey, hey.
It's quite warm out here, isn't it?
Are you joking? It's like -10 and he's topless. Well, sleeveless.
Sleeveless.
The music's gonna turn on. I'm gonna turn that on. We are now gonna do an upper body session.
Upper body, yeah. Do you want one?
No, thank you.
You need one.
So rude. We're gonna do an upper body session, but I just want to introduce you to my new friend. This is the Fossil sports watch. So cute. Basically, it's unreal because you can log all of your workouts on it, you can hook up with your phone, you can change music from it, you can receive messages, WhatsApps, notifications. So basically I could leave my phone in my bag and do everything from this bad boy in the gym. Let's go.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds.
Bless you.
Thank you.
So we've just finished in the gym and we are on our way home now. I used my Fossil watch. It was really interesting, wasn't it?
It's good.
So it was really good because not only does it send you notifications and things like that, it hooks up to your phone, you can change the music via your watch, like you literally feel like a little spy, but also you can choose so many different activities. So there was everything from aerobics to American football to CrossFit to strength training to running to walking to everything. So basically you swipe, you choose the workout of choice, you click start, and then you do your workout and it tracks your heart rate, your calories burned, the time you're doing it for. You can pause it at any time, so if you're taking a break or having a rest, you can pause it and then restart it again. And what I loved is it's constantly like showing, so you can constantly see your calories burned and your heart rate, etc., to keep checking on it. And then it says like the time in minutes, but if you look at it, it then goes to the time in minutes and seconds, which I thought was really cool. It was cool, right? He's just smiling. But yeah, I absolutely loved it, and it was really interesting to see kind of the results of the session we did today and like my average heart rate and stuff. So I will definitely be using it again. What I'll also do is I'll put a little link in the caption below so that you can see for yourself about the Fossil watches. They also come in some amazing colours and they're really cute and chic, so I highly recommend. But the last thing that I'll say about the Smartwatch is that it's swim proof. So I'm going away next week and I'm going to take it with me because I'm not a very strong swimmer, but I want to get more into swimming and stuff. So it'll be interesting to like use it during my swim sessions and see if I improve. I'm so excited. I've just found out the most amazing thing. I was just looking through the workouts just to see what other workouts there are. And oh my God, I was trying to show my dad that golf is on here and that he needs one of these. So I was scrolling to G, and in F, look what I found. I found flossing, so that means that you can burn calories whilst flossing. That's hilarious. And then the other thing that I just wanted to show you, it shows you everything. So find my phone, contacts, alarm, agenda, what else is on here? Google Pay, everything. This is actually incredible. And Spotify, look. And timer. Amazing. Freaking love it. So I'm tucking into my standard post-workout smoothie with berries. It's right there. Just having... I just said his real name!
Keep it
No, no.
Trev.
Nah.
Trevor is having porridge.
Just plain
Just porridge with protein powder. Our go-to protein powder is always and will be forever my protein. Can't believe I said your real name. So I've showered, I've worked for a bit, I'm in a giraffe onesie, and I'm back in the kitchen. Please excuse the carnage behind me. I'm making a little bit of a mess. Sorry, Mom. Anyway, so I'm now making Trev and I some lunch. In the oven, I have a cauliflower, butternut squash and aubergine all roasting. On the hob, I am boiling some cashew nuts to make a homemade pesto. And I'm about to make black beans cooked in a tomato sauce. And I'm gonna serve it all together with some yummy greens. And it's gonna be delicious.
'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night.
So there we have steamed asparagus, roasted butternut squash with the homemade pesto, which I've never made before and it looks like green gloop. Then roasted cauliflower, roasted aubergine topped with the tomato black beans. The battery is about to die in this camera, but tell me quickly, how is your meal?
Unreal.
Unreal.
You still saying it?
You look lovely. It's almost gone. So you
It's
enjoy the
almost
green
gone.
gloop?
Yeah, the green gloop is outstanding.
Really?
Absolutely standing.
Yes. I curled my hair at home and then we got on a little train. Yes, just as he bit into the sandwich. And now we are in a black cab on the way to the Vintry and Mercer Street Hotel for the event. If you want to know how I curled my hair, I actually have a curly hair tutorial. I posted it a couple of weeks ago, so go check that out. But then I'm going to finish getting ready when we actually check into the hotel. Look how much stuff we have for one night, please.
Can we just confirm that's yours?
Do you want to speak once you've finished chewing? There's M's faces on the bed, that's so funny. So we are here this evening, well I say we, I. I'm here this evening as my friend M's guest. And we are here with Vichy Derma Blend. Oh, wow. So now we have about an hour and a half to kill. I'm gonna get ready and then I'm gonna go meet the girls for drinks and then dinner. So I put a cheeky little bathrobe on. My favourite part of hotels. The only reason I come to stay in a hotel is for the bathrobe. So I am now gonna do my makeup. The lighting in here is fantastic. I mean, not right now because I'm not ready and I look gross, but you're joking. Did you just walk past naked? Trev. Oh no, he's got boxes on, it's fine. If Dad's watching this, I'm sorry. I'll cut it out. But yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup now. Everyone here's gonna be like a fashion and beauty vlogger and I'm just here like, hey, I sometimes put on makeup, but most of the time, I'm in the gym.
2 AM in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, you got me losing sleep. I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the honest. overdose. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Your body wrapped around me, goodness strange. You got me looked about it, you and me. Got me losing sleep, I am in too deep. Like an overdose, you're the antidote.
Right, that's my makeup done. So for my hair, the dress that I'm wearing is kind of like a blazer dress. So it's kind of sophisticated, not usually how I go. So I was thinking about doing my hair super neat. So I was thinking about making it a little bit bigger and curlier on this side, and then like slicking this bit down. I also have some cute earrings to put in. And these are some clips that I found from Kish bobby pins. These were actually gifted to me. So I'm going to put them, I think, 1, 2, 3 in my hair, make that bit really slick down, and then make this side all big and curly. Cute! Trev, do you like these?
Oh, nice.
Do you like?
What are they?
They're little clips.
Yeah, they're lovely.
You can stay.
Stunning.
Thanks, honey. I wish you could see his little smile.
Don't out me like that.
So I am ready. This is the cute little dress that I'm wearing. I link all of my outfits on 21 Buttons. So go check that out for the dress and for the bag and for the shoes. I don't know if you can see them. They're so cute. This is all from the event tonight. We got given a cute little basket and we could fill it up with whatever we wanted. So I'm trying some of the Vichy Derma Blend foundation. This is a candle which was on my table, which I'm definitely keeping because that is cute. Then I got the concealer. I got a couple of concealers actually because I wasn't sure what colour I'd be. Then I got the setting powder and then 2 different colour correcting concealers as well. So I am back after an amazing dinner. Trev came down, we had drinks with everyone. I have not vlogged anything at all. I've been terrible. Oh, I also have a comb over, look at my hair. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I've literally not filmed anything.
No, have you not? I'd have filmed more up here than you would have downstairs then.
I'm sorry. Anyway, Good night. Peace. Lots of love.